Bajal Media Best News and Entertainment.
It's only near the no yin ID card, so you're so generally or never. It's here they are called to the other, but on no person or so you're so generally or never sabas, so you need ID card the chair warm. And also your best your call. I'm on who say, so you're so generally, so you're born no more movie. It's no one because I'm no more so no average. That's what you say, no idea. No more than Moja Fra. But I want to come with the ball. I'm Moja. Eti oya no this one say on your police furniture and no more abonus and dia and no fear so eti oya one commander and no mu ya kwa for free sir and no mu be right inside o eti na police ni soldier ni ba ko so di moto erem ono so be kan ya anya adwuma and ono ka kire soldier ni so on ko kan kire o mo se o ma kire e wo so an police station. No, no, so two motor, they call a squad and they buy. Squad of grass. Oh, my God, but before and you're so ID card and no more press or pass. I said no more point. It's more police need back on a frame,
So he stopped and then they were asking him of some particulars. He was trying to tell them that he's a soldier. So they couldn't accept, they couldn't believe. And he removed the card to show that he's a police. The card, to show he's a soldier, sorry. So they tried collecting the card and he refused to give them the card. So unfortunately, they used their gun, hitting at the back of his head. And then they handcuffed him, they handcuffed his hand, attached to the car, and then they brought him inside. So what we heard, we started hearing that the soldiers and the police are fighting, and then the place were gathered with a crowd of people, and then we also came to witness what was going on. That was what we heard. Unfortunately, I couldn't see it with my naked eye. That is what I heard that it happened. Good. Okay. My name is Awal Wiseman. Okay. What has happened? The police members has to be patient. They has to be patient because what they have been doing nowadays in Ghana is very bad. You see a policeman who saw someone, let's say someone on a motorbike. He will even be in the police. Even nowadays, community police are even arresting or catching people who are on motors.
They are saying that
you will see someone and then you catch him. They will see someone on a motorbike. You stop that person. That person will gently stand. You ask of lances, everything. The person will try bringing out. But still, so far as that person is on motor, they want to do what they can do so that at least it even end up taking a bribe, which is very bad. So end up taking bribe. So what I want to say is, if they catch someone on a motorbike and that person is wearing an helmet and is having a lances and that person is right, at least they should spread that person. We are all Ghanaians. Fighting, struggling wouldn't bring anything. Right now, soldiers and the police, right now they are all for security. They are all in for security. So if they have turned around fighting themselves, if something happens to us, who are going to fight for us? So they have to wise up and know, sir, if someone is on a motorbike and is having lances and is one helmet, you have to spare that person. Good. You have to spare that person. Taking bribe will not help. I don't say, when you need a card, where's where you can police in the back of stop card. And man was a card media, one for card near the man.
and not just one fight about the card in the put and you want to. The Kiki, we can, we can, you have some African police. Libiaba. Don't fret by an on back grip on. No more side and answer back. Police move back to the son of call. I said, let's go. Police is our master. We are buying for the new who you say for him and say, Anna. Kick out the thing after the half of the pop. I'm going to let them see you.